So this is our first mapping website. It's called mapskip. It works very much like Google Maps in that it has, your map. You work on the map interface. Like Google Maps, you could change your map to, a satellite picture. You can zoom in to the actual place. We're going to work with map right now. But it also, works in that you have to, sign in with a username and password. You can create a username and password. It's free. So you can sign in, and when you sign in, you have the ability to click on a place, and it marks it with this hand. You click on a place, and you could upload a story or a photo or even a video or a sound of the place. So for example, I'm logged in, I'm zoomed into New York City, and somebody uploaded this story, and they place it in Times Square. So it's a story about, New York City and Times Square. It's called 2009 New York, a City of Dreams. So somebody uploaded this story about New York City. So as a user looking at this, you're looking at a map, you're trying to find out, the different places. If you're looking to go here, you could click on this and see what somebody else wrote about it or wrote a story about it. So you get a better understanding about what the place is really like. You can also add your own comment. So if it's like a fact story, or facts about a place, you could add to that. Along with stories, you can also upload photos. So for example, this is Hudson River. Somebody uploaded a photo of the Hudson River. Let me get a better photo for you. In Brooklyn, somebody uploaded a photo, of Grand Street, of a corner in Brooklyn. So in order to, make your own hand, make your own story, you go up here to the right. You can search for a place, so I'm just going to go High Point Monument. This is close to my house, so I can, in order to tag a place, you just simply click on the map and it places a hand there for you. You can name the place and save it, and you can tell a story about it. So you can write the year, the headline, and a story about the place. And you could also add a photo, if you have a photo of the place, a sound recording, and a YouTube video. So it gives a lot more information than just looking at a map. You can, and another way to navigate through this website is up here. You can look at, you can click on here. I clicked on stories. And if you're looking for a story, a particular story, like war heroes, tropical desert, temperate desert, if you're learning about the different biomes, you can click on that. And here, this looks like a project in school, but you can see, you can navigate through the different stories, and you can see this. You could also click on here where the hand is, and it'll bring you back to the map, to where the user started their project, started their hand. Let's see if this will load. Alright, so here's where the user, in Nevada, where the user, made their project. Alright, let's go back to New York City. Places. So it just gives, it gives the user a lot more information about a particular place if they're looking at something like Google Maps. So this is our first mapping website, mapskip, and it's great in that it allows users of the web to upload their own stories and photos, as well as allows people looking at it to learn more about a particular place through other people's stories and photos.